Microplastics are pieces of plastic that are smaller than 5 millimeter. A lot of them are much smaller than that and are only visible through a microscope. Unfortunately, microplastics are everywhere. They're at the bottom of the sea, they're in the beach sand, they're in the air, and unfortunately, they're inside us. A new study shows that it is possible that humans are consuming somewhere around 39,000 microplastics to 52,000 microplastics every year, with additional of 74,000 microplastics that we inhale. Once we use a single-use plastic product, it stays in our environment. It's not going to go anywhere. It is not going to biodegrade. It is only going to degrade and become microplastics. Please remember this next time you choose to use single-use plastic.